Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Tuesday, November 1st. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Lower trade here into these grain markets, actually quite a bit lower, with corn down 5.5 cents, soybeans down over 18 cents, wheat anywhere from a penny to 7 cents lower, 7 cents lower being in the Minneapolis wheat contract. A little bit surprising with the fact that the US dollar is starkly lower, down 75 cents at one point. Usually that gives a little bit of support to these markets, but it looks like you really had those sellers come full force into these grain markets. You did close on the 200-day moving average for soybeans. So tomorrow brings a very interesting technical trade here into this market for soybeans. So that'll be a big trade tomorrow to see if you close above or below that second day below it or above it can really offer some support or resistance into this soybean market. Meat market's different situation, really using that lower dollar to support them, closing just shy of limit higher on both live cattle, feeder cattle. So live cattle up anywhere from 220 to 270, feeder cattle up anywhere from 4 to 420 there. So you saw that support as it looks like the cattle supply is starting to decrease slightly after dealing with all that abundant supply there, and demand continues to be strong. You did have some spreading going on between that and in the hog market. Hog market not able to hold on after having a lot of support over the last week and a half here trade wise. You just weren't able to muster it together, down $1.50 there. Like I said, those other outside markets pretty relatively quiet compared to the US dollar being down so hard. You did have a big spike in unleaded gasoline, trading 20 cents higher at one point as there was a pipeline explosion here in Alabama that could disrupt supplies for a little bit. So that was enough to get that moving, but after it spiked up 20, it came back down to trading anywhere from 2 to 5 cents higher. So not a lot of movement after that big spike. So we'll see how tomorrow trades on a technical side of things and see if continued sellers come into this market. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.